that I'm doing this, but welcome to my YouTube channel, besties. So today's vlog is gonna be about my new apartment, blah blah blah, packing, cleaning, etc. So I'm just gonna start by introducing myself. I did ask my friends to ask me a few questions, so I'm just gonna answer those and then let you guys enjoy the vlog. Okay, so let's get into the questions. The first question is, what's your name? My name is Nicole Rwadashi Zindoka, but I like it when people call me Rwadashi. That's my favorite name. And then, how old am I? I turned 22 like a week ago. So I'm 22. What do you do? I am a uni student. I also go to work. What are you passionate about? I like to shop. I also like to spend money. I would say that's like what I'm passionate about. Why did you start the channel? I don't know, actually. For fun, I guess. I'm doing it for fun. But these are like the few questions I asked my friends to send to me, because this will be like my first video and all of that. So okay guys, enjoy the vlog. Guys, I'm so tired. Like, moving is actually not for the week. Like, I've been standing for the past 4 hours. I have no words. Right now I need to call my mom and then just show her the place, clean up with you guys probably, and then eat and sleep. It's currently like 8, so I'm just gonna speak to my mom, give you guys a house tour, and then I can shower, eat, shower and sleep, whatever. But like, yeah, so now we need to pack my wardrobe and let's clean the bathroom now. just realized that I wasn't filming. Like I didn't press the button, but it's okay, guys. I was saying that I'm gonna do my dishes, pack my plates in there and glasses, and then after that I'm just gonna mop the whole house and see. But I'm tired now. I'm really